What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We are today working on my S14 again, finally. My S14 has got a big problem, and that is right now it is ugly.
And this is where I went to show off said ugly S14, but I left my camera recording in slow motion, so I've had to speed everything up and come to a voiceover. But this is my buddy Silvia, and these are all my parts that I have been hoarding in my spare bedroom for over 2 years now, I think. From the day I got this car to build the perfect S14, and the day is finally here. So let's get into it.
Alright, we are back at Xavier's shed. Everything's now been sanded, it's prepped, ready to go. Set up a little jig here for the wing so I can paint it nice and evenly. Everything ready. We are painting this outside, so we're going to see how it goes. It's been sanded with a 240, a 400, a 500, and then finished with a bright pad as well to get all of the little curvature of the body kits and pieces. Hopefully should turn out well, because painting comes down to the prep work that you do before. If you have a bad foundation to paint over, you're going to get a bad result. And I'm not the best painter, so I need everything to help in my corner that I can. I'm going to give this a quick clean over now, and I'm going to start mixing some paint. Paint is mixed up, ready to go here. We've got the red, it's no secret. Everything has been wiped down with Prepsol. We don't have the booth set up. I think it's funny about people that have like an inflatable booth. Like, we have one, but we'll look for any reason not to use it because it just adds more time to prepping. And if you have one, you know the exact feeling. But everything is ready to go. So I'm gonna put this down and get into it. Finish up now. We've got everything all in color and clear coat. It's turned out really good. Obviously being outside, we're getting a few bugs in there, so we're gonna be quick and put everything inside. We already have put the bonnet away, but I don't know if you can see that. It's come up really good. Super stoked with the grill. Super stoked with a lot of things. We had some contaminants in this just from like prep work from previous paint, not me being lazy and not treating it properly enough, but wing has turned out very cool.
It's not perfect.
It's not perfect, but I tell you what, it's better than a rattle can job. Very, very stoked with it. So, yeah, it looks really good on camera, and that's the main thing. It's definitely red. Better than being purple, but the 14 is over there, and it can't wait for the transformation. Good job.
Not a painter.
YouTube. Let's get to putting this on the car. Just like that, after all those late nights, after all of those weekends and planning and in between trips to Japan, the S14 is finally done. It looks amazing. It's currently behind me right now. I'm just gonna cut to the chase. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm not gonna drag it on. This turned out incredible. Now, if you saw this car when I first got it, and even at the start of the video, you would know how sun-faded it was. You would know how different it looked. And I've been wanting to get to this car for such a long time, but because it's been my daily driver, I haven't had the chance to do so. To have it looking the way it does now, I am so happy. This car deserves the love. If you don't know the story about this car, go check out the video. I'll put it up here. It's a very special car to me, and I've finally given it the love that it deserves. Now that it's done for now, I want to try and get this car back up and take John, the old owner, for a drive in it, because I promised him I would fix it. It now drives, it now is painted. It looks like a car again, so I'm so happy. It's just turned out incredible. Even the roof, Bambi has done such a great job. You wouldn't even be able to tell that this was all completely faded because of the sun. And then all of the pieces that we painted turned out really good. There's some imperfections, but for a backyard job, it is amazing. So shout out to Silvia for that. I wanted to keep this car OEM plus without going too crazy like that one there, because this is my daily. So I think I've done that. Ganadors are a nice touch. They've turned out great. And then the bonnet, I think, is the star of the show here. Still an OEM bonnet, and now it's blended in perfectly, has supports in it and strength, so it's legal and it looks great. This car is still really stock because it's my daily, but the other things that I have to it that I've done before were the wheels, because I had to match, and then also I've got the GDR Brembos on it too, which again, had to match. So this is still a very OEM plus car. Aircon works, drives great, and now it looks good. If you made it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. I know this was a bit of a different one to what I normally do, but it means the world. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Still got to finish my JZX, and the S14, even though I haven't touched it in a while, is still making progress in the background. So we're going to check that one out soon. So if you made it to the end of the video, appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.